Remember, get the gun up. Yep. You got 6 more minutes. You know, Prez, you are allowed to yell for help.
Hey, I got you!
Yeah, I'm gonna have him come over to my house, and what he needed to do was double side the metal on it.
Well, he needs a little bit more thicker polyglass than this.
I'm gonna get an alum barrel and cut it in half for him so he can cut a hole in the front and put plexi over that.
I got the butterfly config that and I got that. Fuck this. Who's on my right? Ryan. One down in the ravine, straight forward.
Take a mag. You gotta move up. I'm gonna move up. Go.
Yeah, you guys gotta watch your little guys. They're coming up on the side of the.
Stay off the ridge.
Off the ridge! Do not pass the crate!
I'm dead. I don't have any more ammo.
If you got a magazine, bro, you might want to offer up.
You got an extra mag?
Yeah, I do. It's a flashlight.
Fine, that's what I'm using. Get up there and pull him back. Shield neutral.
Hey, guys, you can't go out of the creek. You see this right here when I'm in? You can't go up there.
Oh, that was my head.
You gotta get him. Oh, hit!
I really got to get me an orange hat. Someone's battery's going dead. Get off the ridge!
Shield neutral.
I know you are. Good. You better stay
Yeah, stupid phone. 2 minutes! Do not go out of the creek. Do not pass it.
Oh, so this is our line.
1 minute!
I feel it is necessary to turn around. Why are you shooting the shield? I'm not even, I'm still neutral. Ow, my butt!
Game! Game! Pass it! Yell it! Yell at everyone!